Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about algebraic expressions. This math is intended to the grade 9 students. So I have here solve the value of x. 24 over x minus 3 is equal to 36 over x plus 3. This is a matter of transposition of the terms. For me, I want to place the unknown at the left side and then the constant will be at the right side. So that's why it depends on the person will solve like this. So to start with, 24 over x, as what I said, I need to transpose this one, 36 over x to the left. So this will be minus 36 over x is equal to 3. Transpose to the right, this will be changed to positive 3. So since they have the same denominator, so common denominator because similar terms, this will be x. Then this will be 24 minus 36 is equal to 6. So 36. So take note 24 minus 36. So this will be 36 minus 24. So this will be 2. Then this will be 1. So the sign must be negative because 36 is greater than 24. Then 36 is having a negative sign. So therefore this is negative 12 over x is equals to 6. Since there is no denominator, so I will put 1 serve as my denominator. And then apply cross multiplication. So this will be 6x is equal to this one, negative 12. To solve the value of x, divide by 6 both sides. 6 will be crossed out. X is equals to negative 2. So the root is equal to negative 2. Now let us check this one if this is correct. We will use the given equation. 24 over x minus 3 is equal to 36 over x plus 3. So this will be 24, substitute x, which is negative 2, then minus 3 is equals to 36. Replace x is equals to negative 2, then plus 3. So 24 divided by negative 2, this will be negative 12 minus 3 is equals to 36 divided by 2. So this will be negative 18. Then this will be plus 3. So this one will be 12 and then 3. The same sign, so this will be odd. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Then common will be negative is equal to negative 18 plus 3. Since this is a different sign, so subtract 18 minus 3 is 15. Now the sign is negative y because 18 is greater than 3. Since 18 is having a negative sign, so therefore this will be negative 15. So this is the same. So meaning to say, my root is correct. X equals negative 2. That's all.